Review. Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera. Title. Review. Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera. Introduction. In the fast-paced world we live in, action cameras have become a staple for thrill seekers and adventurers. With so many options available, it can be challenging to choose the right action camera that meets our needs. In this review, we will delve into the features and performance of the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera to help you make an informed decision. Design and build quality. The Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 boasts a robust and rugged build, suitable for capturing action-packed moments in extreme conditions. It features a compact and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to handle during a wide range of activities. The camera is also waterproof up to 40 meters, eliminating the need for an additional case and ensuring it can be used in any weather condition. Image and video quality. Equipped with a powerful 12-megapixel lens, the VIRB Ultra 30 delivers stunning image quality. Whether you're capturing photos or recording videos, the camera produces sharp, vibrant, and well-exposed shots. The ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second ensures that you don't miss any of the action. Additionally, the camera features advanced image stabilization technology that helps reduce shake and ensures smoother footage. Ease of use. One of the standout features of the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 is its user-friendly interface. With its intuitive touchscreen display, accessing settings and navigating through menus becomes effortless. The camera also supports voice control, allowing you to initiate recording, capture photos, and even start and stop the camera with simple voice commands. This hands-free operation is especially useful when you're engaged in high-intensity activities where reaching the camera may be a challenge. Features and functionality. The Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 comes packed with a multitude of features to enhance your action camera experience. One of its notable features is the built-in GPS, which allows you to track your location, speed, and altitude, and overlay this data onto your videos. This adds an extra layer of excitement to your recordings, especially for outdoor enthusiasts. The camera also includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling seamless sharing, remote control, and live streaming capabilities. The VIRB Ultra 30 further sets itself apart with its impressive array of sensors. It is equipped with a barometer, accelerometer, and gyroscope, which provide data such as altitude, G-force, and rotational movements. These sensors allow you to capture in-depth information about your activities and immerse yourself in the data-driven experience. Battery life. In the world of action cameras, battery life is a critical factor. The Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 does not disappoint in this regard. With its rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the camera provides approximately 2 hours of continuous shooting in 1080p resolution. Mounting options. The VIRB Ultra 30 offers a variety of mounting options to suit various activities. Whether you're cycling, skiing, snorkeling, or skydiving, the camera can be securely mounted using its compatible accessories. Garmin's extensive range of mounts caters to every situation and helps you capture unique perspectives and angles. The camera's versatility extends beyond the mounts, as it is also compatible with various filters, lenses, and external microphones for enhanced audio and video recording capabilities. Software and app integration. To complete the overall experience, Garmin provides its VIRB Edit desktop software and VIRB mobile app. The VIRB Edit software offers powerful editing tools, allowing you to create and customize your videos effortlessly. With features like video stabilization, adding stickers, overlaying data, and adjusting color grading, you can truly make your videos stand out. Review. Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera, Part 2. Software and app integration. To complete the overall experience, Garmin provides its VIRB Edit desktop software and VIRB mobile app. The VIRB Edit software offers powerful editing tools, allowing you to create and customize your videos effortlessly. With features like video stabilization, adding stickers, overlaying data, and adjusting color grading, you can truly make your videos stand out. The software and app integration of the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 is seamless and user-friendly, making the editing and sharing process a breeze. The VIRB Edit software provides a wide range of editing options, allowing you to trim clips, merge videos, apply filters, and even add music to enhance your videos. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. You can also preview and download videos and photos wirelessly, making it easy to share your content on social media platforms or with friends and family. The app also allows you to overlay data from the camera's built-in GPS onto your videos, adding an extra layer of information and excitement to your recordings. You can display metrics like speed, distance, and altitude, giving viewers a more immersive experience and allowing them to see the adventure from your perspective. The Garmin VIRB software and app integration truly enhance the overall action camera experience, offering a seamless workflow from capturing to editing and sharing. Whether you're a professional videographer or an amateur adventurer, the software and app provide all the tools you need to create stunning videos that showcase your thrilling experiences. Review: Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera, Part 3. Pros and cons. Like any product, the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's take a closer look at some of the pros and cons. Pros: 1. Rugged and durable design, suitable for extreme conditions. 2. Excellent image and video quality, with sharp, vibrant, and well-exposed shots. 3. 4K video recording at 30 frames per second captures all the action in stunning detail. 4. Advanced image stabilization technology ensures smoother footage. 5. User-friendly interface with an intuitive touchscreen display and voice control features. 6. Built-in GPS for tracking location, speed, and altitude, and overlaying data onto videos. 7. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless sharing, remote control, and live streaming. 8. Impressive array of sensors for capturing in-depth data about your activities. 9. Easily swappable or extendable battery for flexibility and continuous shooting. 10. Versatile mounting options and compatibility with various accessories enhance creativity. Cons. 1. Battery life may be lower than some competitors, requiring additional power packs for extended use. 2. Limited availability of some accessories and filters compared to other action camera brands. 3. Some users may find the touchscreen interface less responsive in wet or highly active conditions. 4. The camera's bulky design may be less suitable for those seeking a more compact option. 5. Some users may find the software and app integration experience slightly lacking compared to other editing apps. While the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera excels in many aspects, it's important to consider these pros and cons based on your individual needs and preferences. Final verdict: in the sea of action cameras, the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 stands out as a top-tier choice for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts. Its rugged and durable design, superior image and video quality, user-friendly interface, and plethora of features make it a standout option in the market. The camera's excellent image stabilization technology ensures that your footage remains smooth even in high-action scenarios. Despite some minor drawbacks such as battery life and limited accessory availability, the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 remains a reliable and feature-packed action camera that delivers on its promises. So, if you're looking for an action camera that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle and deliver exceptional results, the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 is definitely worth considering. Take the leap and document your daring exploits with this powerful and reliable action camera. Review: Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 Action Camera, Part 4. Comparison to competitors. When it comes to action cameras, the market is packed with options from various brands. Let's compare the Garmin VIRB Ultra 30 to some of its competitors. 1. GoPro HERO7 Black. The GoPro HERO7 Black is one of the most popular action cameras on the market. It features similar specifications to the VIRB Ultra 30, including 4K video recording, advanced image stabilization, and voice control. Both cameras offer rugged designs and waterproof capabilities. However, the VIRB Ultra 30 stands out with its built-in GPS, which allows for tracking and overlaying data onto videos, a feature not present in the HERO7 Black. 2. Sony FDR-X3000. The Sony FDR-X3000 is another strong competitor in the action camera market. It also offers 4K video recording and advanced image stabilization. The VIRB Ultra 30 and FDR-X3000 are comparable in terms of image and video quality. However, the Garmin camera pulls ahead with its user-friendly touchscreen interface and voice control features. The VIRB Ultra 30 also comes with more sensors and offers a wider range of accessories and mounts. 3. DJI